Okay, so here I am with repairing those reins like I was doing. So I went with the bigger bit here because this was the actual right size, and then I drilled through. And as you can see, I now have these two pretty much matching again. And so the way that you do this here is, I'm just going to show you how to put this hardware on, and then I'll go ahead and finish up and you can be done with me. But it's pretty simple here. What you're going to have to do is, let me just get it out here first. So you undo this here, because this attaches around the bit. So you need enough of a loop there for it to fit around the bit, and so you have to take that into calculation when you're drilling the holes. When in doubt, just go off of where the original hole was, either on the broken piece or on your other rein. And that should give you a pretty fair idea of where you need that hole to be. And so then to get this hardware on, so this piece right here is going to go on like this. I'm going to slip it on, slip it through here like this, so that the spike here is facing outwards, or towards, like I would like to say, the smooth side of the reins. You've got the harsh side and then you've got the smooth. So the little peg here is going to be facing towards the smooth side. So then you go here like this, so that then you've got this loop going, and then you're going to feed this actually back through that same bottom place. And this is the first one that you want to get on, is you want to get this one on here like this. Okay, and then you want to feed it through enough so it's not going to get caught up on this. So then you've got kind of this nice, you've got it down there enough where it's going to be, and then you're going to adjust this all the way back like this until you reach the other hole. So it's just adjusting hole for hole, lining that peg up with those holes. But you don't loop this around the metal piece twice. Like I said, you just go up and through, down, and then back through that bottom like that, creating that loop, so that then you can attach that to the bit part, to the part that will be going in the horse's mouth. And then of course you've got the loops on the outside, so that then you can control the bit in the horse's mouth. And so then you should have it looking like this at the end, matching the other one. And that's how you do that.